Hello, today I'm going to talk about I would like to visit in my vacations. The place is uh, Panama. Panama is in Central America and it is a Caribbean country. It is famous for the beautiful beaches and famous Canal de Panama and the beautiful food and the water blue. And really like Panama because it has a tropical climate and crystal water. I would like to travel with my father Manuel and my mom Betty. In my experience, traveling with my family is special. I think 9 days. Uh, I know to know many places is Panama. We can to travel by plane and it takes only 4 hours. You can go out to beaches relax. You can try the local food and you can visit um, the old town called the Casco Viejo. Um, I also want to see a famous Panama Canal. Is Panama Canal de Panama. It is a very important that economies and country de Panama. Panama to relax and to have time with my family. And also get a place talking photos and learning about in my culture. That is Panama is beautiful country and I visit with my family. Thank you.